what's up guys, this is Sammy Geekpack here with a quick little video here today, and I just want to say happy Wednesday to everybody. This was a pretty cool image anyway. You can check out this article. I'm going to link this below, but this image right here particularly is awesome. Let me see if I can expand this out a little bit. That is showing the Z Fold 2. It's a T-Mobile version, and that simply looks amazing with that. That really makes me want this phone. So before I was a little bit unsure, about that front screen, but now that I see it in someone's hand on that left picture, this thing is looking awesome. So really, to me anyway, there's a couple downsides. Of course, it's going to be the cost. It's cost prohibitive to some folks, and I mean, start saving your pennies for this thing now, that's for sure. And second is, of course, it not being waterproof, water resistant. That's going to be probably a little bit of a drag for some people. If you work outdoors, or if you are an avid outdoorsman, or you like to go boating or hang out on the beach a lot, you're gonna have to really be careful with this thing. But what an amazing looking phone. This has got to be my favorite image that I've seen of this phone in someone's hand. So thought I would share this, guys, and just this popped up, I think it was this morning. So of course I don't get credit for this. I want to make sure I share the link here for you guys, and you can check this out. Thank you for the person who posted this, and again, I'll copy the link below. Have a great day, guys. See ya.